Hello, good morning, and this is my day 227, and it's currently August 25th instead of August 19th, which should be the date that I am recording this, so it's not really a daily blog anymore, and I think it would be better if it's a weekly blog instead, so I will still do the daily intro or daily recording, and I will, instead of just doing it day by day, I will just allot a time for me to record these videos and for my rest, and that would be my rest day or my first rest day. And right now I do have a split of rest day, but that is not the most important thing. The most important thing is that when I am recording this video of what happens to my day, instead of doing it every day, if I do it once a week, I was able to reflect on the things that I've done. I will remember the things that I am doing this week so that I can reflect more on the things that I should be doing. So for the 19, that would be the Wednesday, I I did remember what I was about to say, but right now my mind is still blank. So it was a day before my rest day, and that would be the day that we receive our paycheck. So that would be on the 19, even though um, the schedule was on 20th. We did receive our paycheck, and I'm a bit disappointed because I was expecting it to be a little more, because I do have my overtime incentive that I work on to get, as well as the metrics being the top second on the company, not really on that whole company but on our department. And it appears that instead of evaluating me as a chat support, I was being evaluated as a voiced associate. So it's pretty much disappointing, since there's a big gap for that, because I was able to do fast, or I was more efficient, I would say, if it was a voice thing instead of typing. So it brings down my score level of 95%, or I'm sorry, the total to 95%, and the target was 97, which is